Welcome to Sahi. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the new search style indicator panel both on Sahi web and mobile for a faster, more seamless experience. Head over to the indicator section at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a list of all the indicators. With the new update, you can now search for any indicator directly using the Search tab, making it easier than ever to find what you need. For example, let's type pivot points. Just select it and there you go. It's instantly added to your chart. Now, if you want to apply the same indicator multiple times with different settings, say 2 RSI indicators, here's how you can do it. Search for RSI. Then open its settings and change the length to 7. Repeat the same step, add RSI again, and this time set the length to 14. That's it. Now you've got 2 RSIs with different configurations plotted on your chart. The best part, you can do the exact same thing on the Sahi mobile app. Just open the indicator section, search, and apply any indicator you like. Quickly and seamlessly, anytime, anywhere, only with Sahi.